So here's the materials we're going to use. We've got some caulk, it's latex so it's paintable, some paper towel, our caulking gun, a hammer, and a way to cut the tube off. When you get nails like this, see how that sticks out? That's sticking out because water's getting behind there and working the nail loose. So that's one of the things we're going to fix on our shed project of restaining this shed. Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands. Yep, we dropped our glove. But hey, we are here. We are going to paint our shed, and we're going to show you some of the tricks and tips we use for staining. We're going to use a Cabot stain. You can see that in another video. And we got some nice paint to repaint the white. The first part of this job, make it look professional, is to fix the knots and the caulking and that sort of thing. So we're going to bring you up close and let you see one of the issues we have real up close. So you can see right here, you got a nail sticking out. So let's talk about how you open up caulk. And we're going to take any tube of caulk. We got some old stuff here. First thing you're going to do, cut this off on an angle like this. You can see the angle we're cutting that at there. And then you can come in here and poke the seal down in here. Once that's poked in here, up here, turn this. And what we're going to do, you can see what we got here. We're going to put a little caulk on a couple of these nails because the nails are coming out. And the nails again come out because you're getting moisture behind them. So once you caulk around the nails, you can come in and tap them in. Now, if you don't want to get this stuff on your hand, you can use a rubber glove. You can come in with your rubber glove. Come in here and just kind of spread these out. Okay. Now, the glove probably won't last, but you can change these out often if you want. We're going to continue to work with the glove, but here's what we're going to do. We have to get a ladder to do some of this work, but we'll start and just do the easy stuff. So see how we've got a crack here in the siding? What we do is we come in, put a little caulk on it, and we kind of rub it into this crack, into the knot cracks and into the cracks. So we're just going to do that on this whole shed like this. Don't worry about the cover. You're not going to see it. You're going to paint over it. We got stain, and it's solid stain. If you're using a translucent stain, you don't want to do this. Again, when we get nails like this, they're popping out, we're going to kind of seal them up a little. Got spots like this, going to go under here and caulk it up. Got some crack. A little crack. A little crack. Yeah, look, finding loose pieces fall out. There you go. So once you get your white caulk on your seams, we can go cut a tube of gray caulk. I'm going to cut that same kind of thing on an angle. Come in here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come into these knots like these right here. And these, you can see these right here. Put a little gray. We're just going to go along and caulk up these slots. Some nails. I got splits. Go ahead and do them. Put a little caulk on it. Get away. Cover it up. Just like that. See how I'm going to take it. Here's something way out right here. Let me see that. We're just going to go around and caulk all these spots like this. Just caulk up all the cracks inside. Use any 10. It'll make it look nice when you're done. Yep. That's all this is to it. So thanks for watching my two good hands. We're going to shut you down and we're going to go finish this thing. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Post notifications on. Don't miss another one. Here on my two good hands, we will catch a, hey, look, it's caulk. It's water-based. So we're all shut. But hey, here's what we're going to do. We're going to set this down and catch you later.